Hey guys, welcome back. So Google has recently revealed its flagship Pixel 6 series, and now the company is already working on a budget phone, Google Pixel 6a. This phone will bring some high-end and some mid-range features at affordable price, and some new information is also coming for its camera sensors. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe to get more daily updates and give a like if you enjoy watching this video. So as you guys know that in our previous video we had a very first look of the Pixel 6a courtesy of OnLeaks, where this device will offer a similar premium design just like its flagship brothers. To cut down the cost, Google might use a polycarbonate back for the budget Pixel 6a, but as of now there's no confirmation on this. And the antenna cutouts on all sides gives us a hint that this phone will have a solid metal frame. Some information about the cameras: Google won't be adding any flagship level cameras in the smartphone like 50 megapixel Samsung's GN1 sensor present on the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. However, company will be using 12.2 megapixel Sony IMX363 primary camera with optical image stabilization, 12 megapixel ultra wide for the wide angle photos, and on the front side there will be a punch hole cutout in the center with 8 megapixel selfie shooter. So this is kinda acceptable with that amazing camera software on the Pixel 6a. It will be able to beat many Android flagships next year. Now some news on the performance: Pixel 6a will come with flagship grade Google's custom made Tensor chip, which means high-end CPU and GPU performance where you can enjoy playing heavy games on high setting at low price. Now the best part is this device will bring all the flagship level features like the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro in terms of processor. Coming to the front, it has a flat panel with some bezels. The bottom chin is quite thick, which reminds us that this is a budget phone. There will be a 6.2-inch 1080p resolution OLED panel with probably a 60Hz refresh rate, just like the previous generation Pixel 5a. So the display will not be the best out there in the market in terms of features, but yeah, watching content, playing video games will be no issues here. Talking about the battery, Google will be using a decent size 4500 or 4800 mAh battery with 23-watt fast wired charging, under display fingerprint scanner, dual speaker combination, but sadly this time there will be no 3.5mm headphone jack for this phone, which is kinda shocker. So there you go guys, Google is all set to compete against Apple's upcoming iPhone SE 3 and 13 mini, but to give a strong competition, Google should launch this phone in all markets where OnePlus all users are already looking for a Google phone with smooth and clean Android experience. Also, I am very much excited about this phone and wanna know how good it can perform with some decent features. Comment down below if you have any question related to this smartphone. If you end up liking this information, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more daily tech updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.